Have you ever wondered if there's more to existence than just the physical world we perceive? An intriguing notion, isn't it? This concept, my friends, takes us into the realm of the astral plane. The astral plane is a dimension of existence believed to exist parallel to the world we're familiar with. It's like a mirror universe, reflecting not our physical reality, but our thoughts, emotions, and desires. Now imagine a place where your thoughts and desires manifest instantly. Fancy a coffee? Voila, it's right there. Wish to fly? Spread your wings and take off. Sounds like something from a science fiction novel, right? Yet for many, this is the reality of the astral plane. But how do we know about this astral plane? Well, it's thought to be the realm that our consciousness travels to when we dream. Have you ever had a dream where you were flying? Or perhaps meeting someone you haven't thought about in years? Some believe these experiences are not mere figments of our imagination, but actual experiences in the astral plane. This plane isn't bound by the laws of physics as we know them. No gravity, no time, no space. Just pure consciousness exploring an endless expanse of possibility. It's like an infinite sandbox for the mind, where the only limit is your imagination. Now here's a thought. If our consciousness can travel to this astral plane during sleep, can we do it consciously? Could we, in our waking hours, project our consciousness to this other dimension and explore it at will? This question leads us to the concept of astral projection. So if our consciousness can travel to this astral plane during sleep, can we do it consciously? Enter the concept of astral projection. So, buckle up, seekers of the unknown, as we delve deeper into this fascinating topic in our next scene. Astral projection, a term that sounds like something out of a science fiction movie, yet it's a practice that's been around for thousands of years. Imagine, if you will, a realm that exists beyond the confines of our physical reality, a plane of existence where time and space are fluid, and the laws of physics as we know them no longer apply. This is the astral plane, and it's believed to be accessible through a practice known as astral projection. At its core, astral projection is the conscious separation of the astral body, often referred to as the spirit or soul from the physical body. This isn't a metaphorical or symbolic separation, but a literal one. Practitioners describe it as a sensation of floating outside of their own body, able to observe their physical form from an external perspective. It's as if their consciousness has taken a step back, allowing them to view themselves and the world around them from a wholly unique vantage point. As they navigate the astral plane, practitioners report experiencing a range of phenomena. Some describe vibrant landscapes that defy description, populated by entities and beings beyond our comprehension. Others recount journeys through space and time, visiting far-off galaxies or stepping back into the past. It's important to note, however, that these experiences are subjective and personal. No two astral journeys are the same, and what one individual encounters may be vastly different from what another experiences. But astral projection isn't just about exploration and adventure. Many practitioners use it as a tool for personal growth and self-discovery. They see it as a way to gain insight into their own psyche, to confront fears and insecurities, and to gain a deeper understanding of their place in the universe. Sounds intriguing, doesn't it? But how does one achieve such a state? And importantly, is it safe? Well, those are questions we'll delve into as we continue our journey into the fascinating world of astral projection. One of the most common concerns about astral projection is the fear of not being able to return to the physical body. But according to ancient wisdom, there's a fail-safe. Let's delve into the mystical concept of the silver cord. This is not a physical tether, but a spiritual one, believed to be an ethereal connection between the astral body and the physical body. It's as if our consciousness is always tied to our physical form, no matter how far we may wander in the astral plane. The silver cord is often described as a thin, luminous thread, shimmering with life energy. It is believed to be elastic and infinitely stretchable, allowing the astral body to travel limitless distances from the physical body. Yet it retains its connection, like an umbilical cord between a mother and her unborn child. This cord is not just a link, but also a lifeline. It's the tether that pulls the astral body back when the time comes to return to the physical realm. It's like a cosmic GPS, ensuring that no matter where you go, you can always find your way back home. Moreover, the silver cord is said to be unbreakable, which means it's impossible to get lost or stranded in the astral plane. It's like a safety rope for climbers, preventing any accidental falls into the abyss. Despite these assurances, the question of safety in astral projection still lingers for many. But let's put those fears to rest. Most practitioners report no harm from astral projection. They often describe it as a transformative experience that enhances their spiritual growth and understanding of the universe. It's important to remember, though, that astral projection is a personal journey. It's a voyage of consciousness into the unknown, and like any journey, it should be undertaken with respect and mindfulness. So, we've learned that astral projection is a fascinating journey of consciousness and that it's believed to be safe. But how can one achieve it? Achieving astral projection is often described as a deeply personal and transformative journey. It's a voyage into the unexplored expanses of your consciousness, and just like any journey, it begins with a single step. Typically, this first step involves deep relaxation. Imagine your body as an anchor holding you firmly in the physical world. As you breathe, let each exhalation release a bit of that weight, letting your consciousness become lighter and ready for flight. Next, visualization comes into play. Picture a rope, a ladder, or any object that symbolizes ascension for you. Feel your astral self reaching out for this beacon, gradually pulling away from your physical form. Lastly, intention setting seals the deal. It's about focusing your mind on the desire to project, creating a mental blueprint for your astral journey. Remember, patience is key here. It might take time, practice, and a lot of trial and error. But don't be disheartened. While the journey to astral projection might require patience, the experiences reported by practitioners suggest it could be worth the effort. Before we end this adventure into the astral realm, remember to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Your insights not only enrich our collective understanding, but they also bring us closer as a community of explorers navigating the mysteries of existence together. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video enlightening. It's a small act, but it greatly helps us in reaching more curious minds like yours. And if you haven't already, do consider subscribing. We regularly delve into fascinating topics like astral projection, offering insights to help you on your spiritual journey. Feel free to share this video with anyone who might be interested in exploring the astral plane. You never know, your act of sharing could be the nudge someone needs to start their own journey. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So, are you ready to take that step towards exploring the astral plane?